What's the meaning of astray? Astray. Astray.
Astray. Astray. The word astray means to go off course from a chosen path or direction, either physically or mentally. It can also refer to being misled or mistaken about something. The result of going astray can vary, depending on the context. For example, if a traveler goes astray in a strange city, they may become lost and disoriented, possibly encountering danger or delays. Similarly, if a person's thoughts or beliefs lead them astray, they may make poor decisions or miss out on important opportunities. Overall, going astray can result in negative consequences and should be avoided when possible.